Good morning. Myself Mohammad Sajjad Khan and my batch members are Rajiv Kumar Jha, Deepak Kumar, P. Nikhil, and my topic is EEG based brain control mobile robot, and we are surprised by Mr. K. Ashok Raman, and he have done in ME and MBA. Abstract. This project is discussed about brain control robot based on brain computer interface BCI. That is BCI. BCI means brain control interface, and BCI are the system that can bypass conventional channel of communication to provide direct communication and control between the human brain and physical device by translating different pattern of brain activity into command real time. Now, existing system. In general, healthy user can operate the robot with a conventional input device such as keyboard, mouse or joystick. For that only we are using proposed system. Proposed system, an EEG based brain control robot is a robot that uses EEG based BCI to receive human control. Two main classes of brain control robot of assisted disabilities are brain control manipulator and mobile robot. Now hardware requirement. Hardware, we are using hardware as ARM LPC2148, brainwave sensor, DC motor, LCD display and Zigbee module. Software requirement. We are using software like compiler Kill ARM IDE, Orchid Design, Flash Programmers, Flash Magic and language embedded C and MATLAB programming. Block diagram explanation. We are dealing with brain computer interface. Brain computer means BCI. From human brain, raw brain wave signals is extracted and is converted into brain wave signal. Then by using brain wave sensor, EEG power spectrum process is done. For that, raw data transmission is done. From this transmission, Bluetooth packet came to extinct, and this was clinic process in data processing unit. In this unit, level analysis platform was by laptop through Bluetooth reception, and then raw data extraction the processing unit was sent to serial data transmission. Now robotic module serial. In this serial data reception was given to universal asynchronous receiver and transmission, that is UART. For this purpose, ARM LPC2148 processor was used instead of PIC because of its high speed and the 2 DC motor for running process. For this purpose, we are going to embedded system. An embedded system usually contains an embedded processor. Many applications that have a digital interface, microwave, VCRs and cars utilize embedded system. So embedded system include an operating system. Other are very specialized, resulting in the entire logic being implemented as a single program. These systems are embedded into some device for some specific purpose other than to provide general purpose computing. Now going to explain about advantage. We are bring mobility back to people with devastating neuromuscular disorder, and the second is mobile robot requires higher safety because they are used to transport disabled people. Application means this project is used for helping the disabled people which can able to move forward, left, right. Mostly we are using for movement. Or industrial application, home application, remote control application.
This is the robot. This one Zigbee transmitter. This one Zigbee transmitter, and this one Zigbee receiver. This one Zigbee receiver, and these both are wireless connection. Display and motors. and I am using this project for doing MATLAB. This program I am using this MATLAB program, but using port 31 will be there. This one 31 port number will be there. After that, here I am giving attention of 50. This attention 50. If the attention will be produced, means that project waveform will produce 50. If the waveform will be near about 50, then the robot will be moved forward. If suppose I will blink one time blink, then it will move left. If two time will blink, then it will move to right. Now I am going to present about my output. So I am going to produce my output. Here run, then MATLAB, then this, then 3 time blinking. After 3 time blinking, it will move forward. See the waveform. If I will think, it will move forward. See robot. This is our output. It is moving forward. It will moving forward. If suppose I will blink one time, it will move left. See. This all my project.